Okay, let's test Citristrip versus Safenol by Bear. Both of these claim they'll stay wet for 24 hours. The Citristrip should take about 30 minutes, while the Safenol will take about 20 minutes before we can test to see if they work. As far as this set of drawers, they both actually contain 4 different layers of paint. The first being a white primer or white paint, then a black paint, and on top of that is gold, and lastly this green paint you see here. Fortunately, the green paint is really chippy and easy to come off. The rest stick pretty well. If you plan to let this set overnight, you can always cover it with some saran wrap. Always wear gloves when handling chemical strippers. You can also use a chip brush instead of spreading out the stripper with your gloves. Check out this time lapse. I will be giving both sides more than 30 minutes to work so that it's a fair test. So far, I don't see much difference. Would you say the orange color versus the clear color is a benefit or a drawback? Let me know in the comments. Time for scraping. I have a plastic scraper and a metal one, but the plastic one will do just fine if that's all you have. That's what I use mostly for this project. So this green paint for now is coming off like seaweed, but I've used these strippers in the past and it is not the same outcome. The more stubborn the paint, the more coats of stripper you will need. If this process doesn't work the first time, I will go at it again. So far with the Citristrip, it's only taken off the top layer up to the gold paint. So 3 more layers to go. One thing I did notice with the orange Citristrip is that it will irritate and burn your skin. If you get it on you, you'll feel it later. But with the Safenol, I did not notice anything. I don't recommend you put anything like any kind of stripper on your skin. This is just something I noticed as it happened. Here I'm thinking for the Safenol, maybe I didn't coat it thick enough on this one green edge that's not coming up smoothly. But I do notice that more than the first layer is coming off. I'm seeing the second layer and third layer peek through just a little bit here and there. Here I do pull out the metal scraper, but I do use it on both pieces, both drawers, just to be fair. I plan to change my gloves and get ready for the next coat. I think both times I used a little bit more of the Citristrip than the Safenol, but I'm still finding the benefits of the Safenol is penetrating deeper. Let's see what happens. It's time for a short break. I'm gonna give these well over 30 minutes before I start scraping at them again. I'm thinking the Bear Safenol is more ready to scrape, so I'm gonna get to scraping this one first, allowing the orange Citristrip more time. It looks like my scraper is surpassing all the layers. so I can see through the bottom straight to the wood. This is a good sign. Another stubborn piece, we'll get to this later with the metal scraper. Now back to the Citristrip. Everything here was going well, but up to this point, it's all just mixing together. It's not coming off, it's just rolling over itself and smudging everywhere. Let's see how this stuff cleans up. Here I'm using odorless mineral spirits from Clean Strip. I pour a little bit on each drawer, mix it around with my scraper. I'm not scraping, I'm just swishing it around a little bit. The Citristrip side is having much more of a hard time. I'm pretty sure this is gonna clog up my sander, but I'll show you the results. Yep, it's back to the solid wood. As far as the Citristrip, it's still a time-consuming mess. I officially give up on the Citristrip and I will be sticking with the Blue Bear. If you would like to see the final reveal of these set of drawers, check out my channel. Thanks for watching.